Females genetically existed before men. Only in the incorrect translations of religion do you find women coming from men or from a man's rib as stated in Genesis 2 verses 22. Now that's impossible because in order for a male child to be born through fertilization, you need a double X chromosome. Males carry the XY chromosome, and in order to get the Y chromosome, you need the double X chromosome from the female. Just like in the alphabet, the letter Y comes after the X. When 2.8% of the double X chromosome is removed through chromosomal manipulation, you lose one of the stems on the double X chromosome, and this gives the appearance of the Y, resulting in the male being born. This means the Y chromosome is defective, and men are a genetic defect of women because the Y was stripped out of the X chromosome, having less genetic material. For example, a man and woman both has breasts and nipples, but a man doesn't have the ability to breastfeed or nurture the child. The X chromosome is also 5 times larger than the Y chromosome, so females genetically existed for generations without males. Now, through archaeological research and evidence, the oldest hominin fossils found were females in Ghana, falsely called Africa, in places like Kenya, Uganda, Ethiopia, and Tanzania. A female fossil called Ardi was found dating back to 4.4 million years old in Ethiopia. Then there's Lucy, who was also found in Hadad, located in Ethiopia. In South Africa, another fossil was found called Mrs. Ples, dating back to 2.8 million years old. Even at a cellular level, the first form of cells, which were single-cell organisms, were able to reproduce or clone itself asexually without the help of a sperm through cell division to form 2 daughter cells instead of son cells. This is how females were able to give birth without the help of a mate or male. It's called parthenogenesis. This story is recorded in ancient Egypt when the goddess Aset gave birth to Haru because her husband Asar was killed. You find the same concept in Christianity in Luke 1 verses 27, where Mary conceived Jesus without the sperm of a man. Quran 3 verses 47 says the same exact thing. The female also carries the family records and genealogy through her mitochondrial DNA, which can be found outside of the nucleus in the cell cytoplasm. The mitochondria also produces all the energy to keep the cell alive. When a zygote is formed, the male's mitochondrial DNA is left outside and only the female DNA stays, that stores all the records passed down through generations. So the concept of a man coming from woman is actually the other way around.